grades dropping again?
I don't know, Mom. I'm trying.
Trying isn't enough. What's really going on?
I cannot focus. Everything feels hard.
Then talk to me. Don't keep it inside.
I'm scared of failing.
Failing is not the problem. Giving up is.
I don't want to disappoint you.
You never disappoint me, but you must do your best.
I will. I promise I will try harder.
Good. Start today. One small step.
You look worried. What happened?
My grades. They're getting worse.
Mine too. We should study together.
Really?
Yes. Two brains work better than one.
I get distracted easily.
Then I'll keep you on track.
Thanks. I needed someone to say that.
Come on, bro. We'll fix this.
Okay. Let's start tomorrow.
Hey, you are early today.
Yeah. I'm trying to change things.
Nice. Need help with math?
Please. I always get stuck.
Show me the question.
Here. I don't understand step 2.
It's simple. Look, break it into parts.
Oh, that makes sense.
See, you're smarter than you think.
Thanks. Feels good to understand.
Keep going. Don't stop now.
You wanted to meet me?
Yes, sir. I want to improve. I just don't know how.
First, stop doubting yourself.
I doubt a lot.
Confidence grows from practice.
But I'm always behind.
Behind is fine. Staying behind is not.
What should I do?
Study 1 hour daily. No excuses.
I can do that.
And ask questions. Smart students ask a lot.
I'll ask more.
Good. I'm here to help.
You are still awake?
Yeah, studying.
I'm proud of you. Really.
I don't feel proud yet.
Change takes time, son.
What if I fail again?
Then try again. That's life.
I don't want to be weak.
Effort is strength, not results.
I never thought of it like that.
Tomorrow is a new chance. Don't waste it.
I would not.
Still studying?
Just finishing.
I'm proud of your effort.
I want to make you happy.
You already do. Just be consistent.
I will, Mom.
Good. Now sleep. Tomorrow is a new start.
Yes. And I'm ready for it.
Good night, sweetheart.
Good night, Mom.